In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trade micro E-mini Nasdaq 100 futures on Tradingview. We'll walk through the exact workflow from opening the chart to placing an order, and I'll add helpful context so each choice you make is clear and intentional. Start by heading to Tradingview's website. Once you're in, look for the symbol search on the left side of the chart area. Type in Nasdaq 100 futures. If you're trading the micro E-mini specifically, the contract you'll use is the micro version of the Nasdaq 100 futures. On many platforms, it's labeled MNQ with the current contract month. If you only see the E-mini version when browsing, that's fine for charting, but make sure the symbol you select for trading matches the micro contract your broker supports. Next, open the full chart so you have the complete workspace. This gives you the drawing tools, indicators, and the trading panel you'll need. Take a moment to set your preferred time frame and add any indicators you rely on. A clean layout here makes placing precise orders much easier. Now look to the bottom left and click Trade to open the trading panel. If you're using a supported broker, connect your account here. If you're learning or testing, select paper trading to practice in a risk-free environment. Either way, the process of sending an order will be the same. Click Order to bring up the ticket. This is where you define everything about your trade. Choose Buy if you want to go long and benefit from rising prices, or Sell if you want to go short and benefit from falling prices. Futures make short selling straightforward, but remember these contracts are leveraged, so small price moves can have a big impact. Select your order type. Market executes immediately at the best available price. Limit lets you set a specific price and only fills if the market reaches it. Stop is designed to trigger once price crosses a level you define, useful for breakout entries or protective exits. Pick the type that matches your strategy and current market conditions. Enable take profit and stop loss, so risk and reward are defined before you enter. Set levels by price or by distance. With micro contracts, position size is smaller than the standard E-mini, which helps manage risk more precisely. Aim for a stop level that respects recent structure and a take profit target that aligns with your plan's reward to risk ratio. Once everything looks right, click Buy or Sell to send the order. Confirm the details and then monitor your position in the panel. On the chart, you can drag your stop and target lines to adjust quickly as the market evolves. As always, consider testing in paper mode first and be mindful of volatility, margins, and overnight risks.